video on me faffing around, as always. So, I'm making meatballs, and so I've got my meatball recipe, and I just kind of thought, and I've been making something else with sausage casings, and I was kind of thinking, well, let's put the meatball mixture into some sausage casings and see how they turn out. So the meatball mixture is some minced pork belly. There's a little bit of extra fat in there. There's some breadcrumbs. There's some Parmesan cheese. There's an egg, and some thyme, and lots of pepper. I think that's everything. Yeah, cheese, egg, something, bread. Yeah, I wouldn't. Sometimes I put onion in, but not today. So we will just have a go at making some sausages and see how they turn out. And then I might have them for breakfast tomorrow morning. Look a bit fatty actually, but we'll see how we go. Yeah, it's quite fatty sausages. Oh yeah, there's some bacon in as well. So there's my cured bacon from last year, which just gone really dry. Really cured. That's better. No, it's dry. It's dry cured. So I've put some bacon in as well. So I'll put the rough kind of recipe into the description. If I've got a pair of scissors, I did have a pair of scissors. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So let's nip that off. There. I'm not gonna cure these. I'm just gonna cook them. So I can't do the links that you get like proper sausages in because I don't make sausages on a regular basis. Although maybe that is a skill to learn. So it should be like a bit like an Italian sausage. You know, it's got Parmesan in and cured bacon, pork belly from last year, which I made too much bacon. I made too much bacon last year, and then I just never use it because I don't know why. I don't know why I don't use it. But there's always things I want to be cooking, so I ain't giving the bacon away anyway. So that seems okay. Let's do another one. Long enough. Yeah, so I'm making like a cured fat sausage. So just mincing up some fat and then adding some salt and some pepper and then putting in a sausage casing to kind of make a fat salami, not just all fat. So I was kind of thinking that if it works, then maybe it'd be kind of nice to do like a fat and cured bacon kind of so if it works and I've got some bacon left, really dried cured bacon left over, it might be kind of quite nice to make a fat and bacon sausage, but we'll see. So another one, just for the case of using up the sausage case. And I always end up with too many meatballs as well, and then they just sit in the cupboard waiting to get used. There we go, that's about all we're going to get out of that's a decent enough size, isn't it? So the rest of the meatball mix will go into making meatballs, and these sausages will be for breakfast in the morning because I'm going out for drinks tonight, so I think I'll probably need something cooked and relatively unhealthy, but we'll see what that's like in the morning. Right, let's have a go at cooking these sausages. So I don't know why I tied the end, and it was probably because I've been making some salamis, so I don't think tying the end's a good idea with making sausages, so I've just snipped off the ends of one of them, and we'll leave the other ones on and we'll see what happens. I think they might explode, but I'm not that bothered, you know. it's important to learn things in life, isn't it? And we learn through mistakes than anything else. So we'll see how those turn out. Well, they haven't split. Let's have a look at one of the ends. Let's give it a taste. It's alright, isn't it? Is it going to burn the mouth? Yes, it will do. Mmm. Mmm. That's delicious. That's delicious. Now, putting that cheese in and that bacon is just sensational. That's absolutely delicious. Mm. Oh, I've got my mouth full. Someone must be doing those, like meatball sausages. They must be. I'll do some internet research. Although, it's not always right, is it? They're delicious. They're delicious. I won't tell my butcher about those. I don't think he watches my channel. But they're delicious. So, if you can be bothered having a faff, making some sausages, putting some cured bacon, some really dried, I'll show you. Oh, it's getting a little bit past its best. I'll show you how dried it is. I'll show you the end. So it's last year's bacon, so you can see how dried it is. It's had like almost 12 months of drying in the fridge with the air circling around it, but that's made a huge amount of difference to those sausages, and just that little bit of cheese in there is delicious as well. So that's a huge success. I'll have to look up at Parmesan sausages, you know, pork and Parmesan sausages. Oh, lovely. And the thyme as well. I'm putting a little bit of thyme in. That thyme delicious as well. But so the bread that I used in the meatball recipe was my sourdough, which makes a huge amount of difference. So the difference between the way a sourdough tastes and normal bought bread, it's a bit rubbish, but sourdough is vastly improved. So those sausages are vastly improved by the quality of the bread and by the quality of the bacon, dried cured bacon that I put in there. They're delicious. Success.